Hi everybody, Grandpa Bob here. The video I'm going to do today, I hope is going to be very restful, very soothing for your nerves, okay? I did a live stream last night, and during the stream, one of the viewers made a post and suggested that I do a video just using water. And I thought, yes, that's a great idea. So that's what I'm gonna do. This video is gonna be primarily me making sounds with water. It should be very soothing, very soothing. So I really encourage you to just lay back, relax, and just listen. Listen to the sound of water and let that sound take you anywhere you want it to go, okay? Take deep breaths if you like, shake your muscles loose, and just listen to these wonderful sounds, okay? All right, I'm gonna get started now. Oh, by the way, before I forget, the person who made this suggestion, it looks like they may be Japanese, so I'm going to try my best to get their name right. It looks like YT Kakashi, and then there's a dash YX. So it's YT Kakashi YX. If I didn't butcher that too badly, I want to give you my thanks, okay? And let the rest of you know, if you don't join these live streams, you're missing out on something. They're really, really fun to do. I take lots of questions from people who want to know and have advice, get advice on relationship issues and all kinds of things, okay? So check them out. They're usually 6 o'clock Thursday nights. Okay, here we go. First water sound. Water going into a bowl. I'm going to do this a couple of times. Listen up now. I didn't include my favorite beverage, huh? You guys knew this was coming, right? Okay, are you ready? Here we go. Can you see the bubbles? Yeah, carbonated seltzer water. Oh, God, that's so good.